Hello friends, today I'll show you how to make royal icing and how to make these shapes. To learn how to decorate cookies with royal icing, see the link there. I'm using pasteurized egg whites. Add 1/4 cup egg whites and about 2 1/4 cup icing sugar. I added the sugar in 3 parts. First I added first cup, sifted, and then mix it with an electrical mixer, and then the second cup, and then the rest of the sugar. First I mix it and then I turn on the electrical mixer so the sugar doesn't fly. And I just added 1/4 teaspoon lemon juice and 1/4 teaspoon vanilla. Because I made this video a long time ago and now I'm editing the video, at that time I use artificial colors. It's better to use natural colors. And I will transfer that into a cone that I made from parchment paper. For the rest of the icing, royal icing, cover it with a plastic wrap on the icing. I draw the shapes on this side on a piece of parchment paper and I will pipe on the other side. When you pipe, first pipe whatever you want it and then leave it to dry and then pipe on top of it or next to it. Then leave them to dry just like that, and quickly they will come out very easily. But be careful, they are very fragile. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, write a comment and hit the notification bell. And thank you for watching.